Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtones in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and select sounds and vibration. Now click on ringtone. Click on ringtone. You have two options, sim 1 and sim 2. You can set ringtone for sim 1 as well as sim 2. Click on sim 1 and here these are all the system ringtones. You can select from the system ringtone. I have selected here reflection. Also, you can use this plus symbol to add any music file if you have in your phone. This is custom ringtone. Just click on plus symbol and set custom ringtone. Unfortunately, I don't have any music file in my phone. Only one file is available. I select it and click on done. So custom ringtone is selected for sim 1 and go back, it is activated. Over the horizon is activated. In a similar way, click on sim 2 and you can set from custom ringtone. Use this plus symbol to add custom ringtone, otherwise use this system ringtones. Here I select this dreamscape. So go back and dreamscape is now set. And I go back and click on notification sound. Here also you have two options, sim 1 and sim 2. You can set notification sound for both sim 1 and sim 2. Click on sim 1. Here you can only select from the system tone. You cannot add any custom tone here. Just you can use system tone. Select from the available options. I select crystal. Go back and it is activated. And click on sim 2 and select any system tone. I select sticky and it is now applied. And next, volume. Here you can just increase or decrease volume. For increasing, just move the cursor to the right side. For decreasing, move the cursor to the left side. You can adjust ringtone volume, media volume, notification sound, system sound, and then call vibration pattern. You can select from the available options. Heartbeat, tick-tock, waltz, zigzag. Default is basic call. So you can select from the available options. The notification vibration pattern. Here also you can select from the available options. Then click on vibration intensity. Here touch interaction level can be adjusted. Just you can increase or decrease using this bar. Then system sound and vibration control. Here you can control some sounds. For example, sound under this sound touch interactions. Just if you want to turn on touch interaction sound, just use this button. Otherwise turn it off. So here you can control these tones: screen lock, unlock sounds, charging sound, dialing keyboard, Samsung keyboard. Similarly, under vibration, you can control these vibrations for these touch interactions, dialing keyboard, navigation gestures, charging, Samsung keyboard. You can have vibration if you turn on these buttons. Otherwise, you can turn it off if you don't want any vibration. So in this way also you can control some other sounds in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31s. So here you learned how to set ringtone in M31s as well as controlling other tones in your phone as M31s. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.